Good morning.
What is this place? Dubare.
Dubare.
I think I heard something like that. Dubare. This is a place called Dubare in Mysore.
Yeah, if possible, we'll go for boating.
Friends, please watch till the end. We'll be sitting on the boat also.
Yeah, this is the second day in Karnataka.
I am sleepy mood.
We just reached Dubare. This is a student tour. We will go there. I think we have to get inside there.
Where's the?
Huh?
Where's the?
Hello guys, we have to take out our shoes and we have to get inside there to see elephant.
Take care. Remove your shoe, brother. Take care. Shall we go by that way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Si cameraman से Thailand नहीं लाखने tourist और ने. Stand there. I don't know whether it looks good or not. Now we'll just pick okay. Hey, you're
This whole elephant was there. Here we started our and they kept
Oh, yesterday you don't have now? Bro, yesterday we saw another palace, that elephant, no? Yeah. I think they... Good morning.
Hello. Hi.
We can come and shoot one Umbak film here.
Winning.
O'Neill, how do you feel?
Boring.
Boring, my God.
3 hours journey and 3
O'Neill started complaining.
Not what, nah? Not what he.
Hello everyone. I hope you really enjoyed this vlog. Seeing the strong elephant standing out there, and the vlog will be too long since in a day we visited 2-3 places, so I will make this particular vlog for one vlog and continue uploading the another vlog. So please keep supporting and watch it. See you. Bye bye.